Hello friends, this is Prabhpreet Kaur and today we are going to deal with the concept of Darwin's theory of natural selection. In this, Charles Darwin has published this theory, and Charles Darwin collected the specimens of plants and animals and observed the specimens and published the theory of natural selection, which preaches survival of the fittest. This theory of natural selection can be also called as survival of the fittest. And and he also published the book titled Origin Specimens. Origin Specimens. You all can search it on Google and get more information about it. And while explaining the concept, Darwin says that all organisms reproduce profitably. All organisms are competing with each other in the life-threatening manner. Means they are in a race and they are competing with each other. And the organism which sustained long, which shows modification of winning the competition, and the nature plays the main role, as nature selects them those who are fit to live there, and rest all perish. Perish means disappears. I'll write the meaning here. Perish, disappears. The organisms which are fit to live there, they are staying there only, and the rest perish. Perish means they disappear. And the sustaining organisms which are there, they reproduce, and they are species. They make their own species there is formed. And the Darwin's theory was widely accepted, but there were some objections on it too. There are two main objections. Darwin did not mention any useful or useless modification. This means in this theory he didn't say about the organism like it has the useful modification or useless modification, why it is perishing and why it is not fit to live there. And there was no explanation of slow changes and abrupt changes. Abrupt means sudden and fast. I'll write yours. Sudden, fast. Abrupt means sudden and fast changes. This means he doesn't even mention that the organism has slow changes or the fast changes. If the organism has fast changes, it will for sure live there and will survive there. But the animals having slow changes will perish, and we will not come to know about that survival of the fittest of that organism. This was the theory of Darwin's natural selection, and the point. And after all the objections, but the Darwin's work on the evolution has been a milestone, and Darwin's theory is still now selected. It's not rejected. This was the theory of Darwin's theory of natural selection. Only this much for today. See you in my next video with a new concept. Do subscribe, like and share my video and comment.